Bye. 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 Bye.
Stop doing the hiding before he sees us. What's up, everybody? It's me, Baldwin. Today we're gonna play Roblox hide and seek. This is my avatar. I hope you add friend me. Okay, this is the it. Oh no, he's gonna teleport. Or I there. It's everybody. Everybody is there.
Bye.
That too I found.
Bye.
Why did you didn't move even this bacon? Come on, bacon. I believe in you that you win. Oh no! The it is too faster. That's cheat. If, no, don't go in there. Because we are in there. Oh, he teleported again. So where is the every? Oh, three people left. The two peoples are is the two people are me and that Pira. I don't how I cannot know what is her name. Oh, it's us. Only two of us left. Oh no, we must survive this, guys. Only 1 minute left. Time remaining. Yes, I mean remaining. I hope we win. I don't know. I will hide in here. I must oh no. It's going in this direction. Oh no, 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 no. Yes, yes, no, 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 yes! He lived. Yes! Yay, he lived. So big. I hope he doesn't. Yes! 17, 16. Now it's so close to 1 or 0. Oh no, don't go, don't fall. Yes, the teleporting is right over there. I think, I hope he does. Yes! Me and, I don't know what is her name. Okay, select map in 6 seconds. I will go to me, please, me. No, it's not me. So expensive. So let's run. Oh, we're here now. Yo, it's too far away. I will hide in here. No, don't hide there, Kyle. Do not hide in there, or else I will lose the game. I hope this is the good spot. I hope he doesn't notice. If he notice, then I am lose the game. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I was expecting it. You're currently suspecting. Yes, he teleport there. You don't know where I am. That is super cool. Why is my camera too far away, just like that thing? Who just? Oh, there's a RC there. Grab. Okay. Oh, this is the Robux thing. Oh man, he has Robux, but I have no. How about I had friends, people? This guy that last time, Tiam either. He doesn't accept. Well, Ollie. Yay! Oh no, I will not leave. That was very close. Yay, he had friends. He died. Time remaining. It's expecting mode. So, there's a duck chasing him, or he's just a pet. Oh yeah, it's a pet. Which item did he use? The duck. Is this? Oh man, he has 40. Oh, it's easy. I will buy this TV, man. Oh, 50 CR. Where's my bed? Actually. He sees me! 3 players alive. That was there. It's me. This guy,
Bye.
hi.
Bye.
He just said bye. 50 CR.
Bye.
I got 50 CR. Oh, it's a little bacon. I like bacons. I like bacons. Okay, he's gonna jump fast.
Bye.
Don't hide before he sees you. You can go through this. Yep, nope. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What Kyle Jones is it was found. Yep, he found me. Yes, the backyard. I have many hiding spots there. Me! Me! There's an ambugus. See? It's them. Oh, it's my pet.
Bye.
It's my little pet. Pet, get over here. We must hide somewhere good, big. Oh, this thing. I will not go in there. Come on, pet. Let's go. Where are we hiding or something? Oh, no. It's low. I don't know. 9. You must hide, pet. Hide before he sees us. TV man. It's a little TV man. Wait, you cannot see your pet. I mean I cannot. Oh no, my pet. That's good. Expecting it. Oh no, it's going that big. Oh yeah. Go far away from me. Okay, that's good. Wow, hit my face. I mean, that is not my face. Okay. It. You're currently suspecting it. Suspecting mode. Time remaining mode. It's been 15 minutes since he didn't see us. You can go through there. Yep, you can. Wow, this is a good hiding spot. But it's not quite than my spot because oh dear, there. This is super good spot. Teleported into the most highest. What is this house? There's a big house over there. It's him. Whoa, it's in the sky. The house is in the sky. What is that supposed to mean? Wow, it's going that. Do you see my hiding spot, guys? Is right over there. Right in this big bush. He's gonna zoom in. No? Okay, he's in the oven. I think that is not an oven. Jump higher. Oh, that is a super good spot. Nope, because he's going this direction. Oh, it fell. Oh no, he's expecting. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! He see me. Why? It is super strong.